What's up YouTube, it's Shot J15 with an unboxing of the with a quick unboxing real quick. Sorry about using my iPhone to do the unboxing. It's not gonna be as good as the camera. Cause I can't find the wire that I used to upload the videos to my computer off the camera, so that's why I'm not using the digital camera right now. But I do have some videos on the digital camera I gotta upload, but I gotta find the wire first. So I'm just do the unboxing on my iPhone, and hopefully it looks good. I forgot I got it from Amazon. From Amazon. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm doing an unboxing with my iPhone. So sorry if it's a little bit laggy and it don't look as good. I can't find the wire to my camera. It is Amazon, the shipping details. This is my camera that I use, the Sony Cybershot. Pretty good camera. It's a touchscreen camera. I can't find the upload wire right now. So there it is. Let me get into the light so you guys can see this. It's a Sigma S107 gyroscope system, metal series, 3-channel infrared RC mini helicopter. And in the top it says your own space in the sky. So we got a little in the front. You can see the helicopter right there. That's the exact helicopter on display. It's not a picture, and that's the control. So let me open it real quick. I don't want the video to be too long because it will never upload. It takes a really long time, and where's that knife? Okay. Okay, let me open it. Only got one hand, so sorry about the movements. There it is. It's opened. It's a helicopter. And let me see if I can get it out. If I can't, I'm gonna just show a review video of it. Okay, I can't get it out. I gotta take it out with 2 hands because it's taped in and tied in and all that. So this is it for the unboxing. I got it on Amazon.com for $35. I think it's $35 or $38, but a lot of reviews said that it's a really good helicopter, so I really recommend going to get it. Just a little something that you could use in your house, like when you're bored and all that. So that's it. Peace.